How to change my SQL database user password in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. Now you will enter the Databases page. Scroll down slowly until you find the Database User section. In the Current Users section, you will see all the database users you have created. Find the user whose password you want to change. Click on the Change Password option next to that user. Now, enter your new password in the first field. Re-enter the same password again in the second field. Then, click on the Change Password button. And done. Your database user password has been updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.